Since 1922, Gosiger has been helping manufacturers maximize their productivity and profitability. Our long-standing relationships with OEMs allows us to provide you with the finest machine tools and accessories. When you choose Gosiger, you get our full attention. Working with us gives you access to hundreds of technicians and engineers with service, automation, and process development expertise. You are investing not only in equipment, but in experts who provide extraordinary service and support. We understand the importance of your business and the effort it takes to keep operations running. So we develop technological solutions utilizing premium CNC equipment, engineering expertise, and automation to find you the perfect solution. At Gosiger, we take our responsibility to you seriously and measure our success by your success. We strive to help you excel by providing installation, training, maintenance, replacement parts, and unmatched technical support. Gosiger, one trusted source for the most trusted brands.